Creating a course for a community can be a valuable resource for users, providing them with a comprehensive guide to a specific topic. This process can be straightforward, and it's managed within the account. To start, navigate to the dashboard, select the community to add the course to, and click on Manage Apps. From the drop-down menu, choose the Courses app, or use the search function to find it. Once the app is added, click on Begin Setup, and then Create Your Course Now. Choose a name for the course and a tagline that describes its content. Then, write a detailed description of the course, outlining what users can expect to learn. The course is structured into chapters and lessons, allowing for a logical flow of information. For example, a course on cooking could have chapters dedicated to different cuisines, such as Chinese or Mexican food, with each lesson focusing on a specific dish. Within each lesson, various types of content can be added, including video, text, and file attachments like PDFs. This flexibility enables the creation of a rich and engaging learning experience. Once the course framework is built, it's possible to add more lessons or chapters as needed. When the course is complete, click out of it to return to the main menu, where the course will be listed. To customize the course's appearance, add a hero image by clicking on the downward arrow next to the course title and selecting Manage App. This image will be displayed as the course's background. Additionally, adjust the course settings to require lesson completion in a specific order, or allow users to jump between lessons. Finally, to make the course available to the community, click on the Manage button and select Manage Apps. Find the course app, click Edit, and change the status from draft to visible. Save the changes, and the course will be live, accessible to all community members. This process provides a straightforward way to create and share valuable knowledge with others.